Now in the seventh step, sodium bicarbonate that is prepared in the first step by heating, it will be converted into sodium carbonate. Sodium bicarbonate upon heating, it will be converted into sodium carbonate Na2CO3 by the removal of H2O plus carbon dioxide molecule. And the last step, that is the eighth step, is called recrystallization. In this step, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 react with water molecule, and after recrystallization it gives washing soda, that is Na2CO3.10H2O. Here is the solvay process is complete, and on the basis of overall process we can see that sodium carbonate is prepared by the solvay process and its a byproduct is calcium chloride, and in this process calcium carbonate used as a source of CO2 gas. Now we will discuss the properties of sodium carbonate, that is washing soda. First is washing soda sodium carbonate Na2CO3.10H2O is a efflorescent salt. Efflorescence means molecules which loses water molecules when exposed in air, called efflorescent molecule. Sodium carbonate is the example of efflorescent compound since it is loosed water molecules when exposed in the air. According to the reaction, Na2CO3.10H2O called water of crystalline when exposed in the air, it loses 9 molecules of water. Na2CO3.H2O by the losing of 9 water molecule. This process is called efflorescence, and these types of salts or compounds called efflorescent compound. Next, second important property is when sodium carbonate Na2CO3.10H2O heated high temperature, that is above 373 K, then it loses all water molecules and converted into sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. Here is the Na2CO3 is called. Upon heating above 373 K, sodium carbonate loses all water of molecules and converted into sodium carbonate, which is termed as soda ash. Now next important property of the washing soda is its aqueous solution becomes basic, since its aqueous solution gives strong base and weak acid. Like this reaction, Na2CO3 react with water molecule gives sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, which is a strong base, and a weak acid, that is H2CO3. H2CO3 carbonic acid is a weak acid. So overall solution of the sodium carbonate is basic. Its aqueous solution turns red litmus into blue, and there is no effect in the blue litmus paper. Blue remains blue. Third most important property is overheating of the sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, First dehydrated and gives Na2CO3 plus 10H2O. And further heating melt Na2CO3 but not decompose. Now next important property is 4. When sodium carbonate treated with a mineral acids, it produces effervescence due to the production of CO2 gas. For example, when sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, it gives a salt sodium chloride by the evolution of CO2 gas. Now it will be further react with H2SO4, then again gives a salt, that is sodium sulfate, by the evolution of CO2 gas. In this reaction, a most important concept is that the CO2 gas is due to the carbonate, not is due to the acid. So it is important to note down that when sodium carbonate reacts with H2SO4, then evolution of the CO2 gas is due to the carbonate. Next important property is when sodium carbonate react with CO2 gas, it gives sodium bicarbonate, Na2CO3, its aqueous solution, that is H2O, react with CO2 gas, then it will be converted into sodium bicarbonate. Since sodium bicarbonate is sparingly soluble, that's why it is obtained in the solid state. Now, next important property is that when sodium carbonate react with SO2 gas, then it gives sodium sulfide and sodium bisulfide. According to the following reaction, sodium carbonate NO2CO3 react with SO2 gas, it gives sodium sulfide, that is Na2SO3. When sodium carbonate react with SO2 gas, then it gives sodium sulfide and sodium bisulfide. Na2CO3 plus SO2 gives Na2SO3. It is obtained in the aqueous state by the removal of CO2 gas. And when Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, react with SO2, then it will be further gives sodium bisulfide by the removal of CO2 gas. Now next important property is when sodium carbonate react with silica, it gives sodium silicate. Sodium carbonate Na2CO3 react with silica. Silica means SiO2. Then it gives silicate, sodium silicate, Na2SiO3. It is also called glass.